success. Try again. If dead, then break. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing conditional statement. And yes, it's going to be internal programming. So let's get started. Conditional statement. What is conditional statement? An if conditional statement can be true or false. If When the if statement executes, the condition is tested, and if it is true, the indented block of code is executed. Like you have this flowchart, for example. If something happens, like if the noodle gets boiled, you can say, then prepare again. But if they are fine, then you can just dive in anew. Now, a type of coding instruction is used to compare values and express and make decisions. A conditional statement tells a program to execute an action depending on whether a condition is true or false. It is often represented as an if then or if then else statement. We're now going to move on to the coding part of the video, which is going to be in the next one. So stay tuned till then.